In this amazing tutorial, we are going to talk about the topic which are widely emerging these days in the world of technology. Yeah, sure, we are talking about artificial intelligence AI. Do you know? What does it mean? Well, before starting it, let me tell you, if you're watching this channel first time, I request you to like this video and hit the subscribe button so you never miss a single of our new video. Now let's come to our topic. Well, artificial intelligence, in simple words, mean work that has been automated from human to machine. Like nowadays, sending letters manually are being replaced by emails and messengers. AI stands for artificial intelligence, which refers to machine or computer that are capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and language translation. Machine uses lots of data, learn from it, and then make decision based on it. The more data we give to machine, the more it will become intelligent and make strong decisions. Machine are learning and providing the result at the same time. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Like, share, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.